Okay, so let's start continue to previous session what we have discussed the circuit diagram and waveform. In this session, we just try to simulate that circuit through the MATLAB. Okay, and observe their output voltage waveform and voltage across the thyristor and output current waveform, whatever we discussed in the previous class. So for that, first of all, just share the screen and then we will continue our discussion. So first of all, just open this MATLAB here. Okay. So just click on here and you will just Simulink model. So new workspace create here where we simulate the circuit. It takes some times or create the new workspace. Just wait few minutes. So it takes some times. 4 minutes. For open the new workspace and then just yeah. So this one is our new workspace with a title name. So just first of all, we try to save this model with some particular name. So just try to save here in simulation lab folder. So we already simulate some model. So this one is named as the model 16. Just model 16. Okay, so this model save as the model number 16 in the simulation lab folder. And now just we try to simulate the circuit. So just you remember the what component we required for the simulation of circuit. So first of all, just go to the Simulink library. So this is Simulink library where we can find the various type of block or power electronic switches electrical element. So just first of all, go to the sync. Okay. There you can find the scope. Just click on that one and to the model number 16. Next, what we require for the circuit design, one is your single phase AC source, one thyristor, and RL load, and some measuring devices such as voltmeter, ammeter. So that block we can drag to the model number 16 from the Simulink library. So just first of all, go to the SIM power system. SIMSCAP. SIMSCAP, and then go to the SIM power system. Yes. So in SIM power system, you may find out various electrical component here. That means in electrical source, element, machine, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just we try to simulate through the MATLAB. So what we tried the circuit in the previous class, what component we required for the circuit design?
Sir, we required SCR. We required resistance RL, R required. We required load required, and
Load
a voltage
required,
source required.
load required one, and next
Sir, load means sir RL and both, and one voltage source
one voltage
and
source, one thyristor.
yes SCR.
ACR thyristor. Okay. So for that one, you have to just go to the Simulink library. How we can search the electrical component? Have you know from the Simulink library?
Yes, sir, I know, but right now I don't have idea, sir. In the previous class you have told, but I can't recapitulate that.
Okay, so just try to remember with the practice how we can find the electrical component what we require. So first of
Yes,
all,
sir.
you go to the in Simulink library to SIMSCAP. Okay.
Okay.
In SIMSCAP, when you click on the SIMSCAP, you will again find various component, and then you go to the SIM power system. Okay. This is visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah. So in SIM power system, you will find out various type of component. That means control and measurement, electrical source, element, interface element, machine, measurement, and power electronics. Okay. So we require one electrical source, is it not? So just click on the electrical source. Then you will find various type of electrical source available here. Okay. So we required single phase AC source. So this one is your single phase AC source, voltage source. So just click on that one and add to the model number. Your what you maybe number model number 16. Okay. Yeah, so this single phase AC voltage source now available in the workspace. Okay, in model number 16. And next we required one thyristor. So just to go to the in which component? Power electronics. Okay. So just click
Yes,
on
sir.
the power electronics. Various type of power electronic switches, thyristor, MOSFET, IGBT, GTO, and other are available here. Okay. So we just required thyristor. So just click on the thyristor and add to the model number 15. And next we required one load. That means element, just go to the element. Various type of electrical element are available here. Okay. So just we choose series RLC branch, just click on that one and add in model number 16.
Sir, why RLC, sir? We required only R and L now.
RLN, just this is a standard element of the all component here consist. You may be differentiate according to your requirement. Okay.
So we have to remove the C from the RLC, na?
Yeah.
In the circuit.
Yeah.
Okay.
When we design the circuit, so we can convert this RLC in our requirement, either pure resistive, pure inductive, pure capacitive, and RL, RC, LC, whatever we may be required. So
Hello, sir.
yeah, just tell me.
Sir, what is the difference between, sir, series RLC branch and series RLC load, and why we have not taken the series RLC load and you have taken series RLC branch?
Just in the RLC branch, we have to consider in the series RLC load and series RLC branch. Okay. We just consider series RLC branch.
So is there any difference between RLC load and branch?
No, I think I have not select this one, and I am not able. I have not used this one frequently because we are able to convert this load in according to our requirement or not. I have not used. Just try to that one. We can convert this RLC in RL or pure inductive or pure capacitive. Okay. So
Okay.
So just we are able to convert this in various type of load components. So just try to use this one. Okay. And next we require to the measuring instrument. That means voltmeter and ammeter. Okay. So just again go to the measurement part. Just we find out various type of measuring instruments. So just voltmeter is here. Now ammeter is also in the model number this one. Now one more block we required the gate pulse supply to the thyristor, that means pulse generator. So just we use the pulse generator. And just search this one.
So we cannot find pulse generator in power electronics part.
Power electronics?
Part in power electronics part it may be present.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So you may, if you don't know, then you can directly type here and search. Okay.
Hello.
In this search space.
Okay.
So just add here. And this operation for this, so just power guy. Now I think all the component we already drag into the model number 16. So just we try to connect this one according to the circuit. Okay, whatever. So just try to full screen this one. So this is your pulse generator, and here this one is your voltmeter, ammeter, and this one voltmeter. One is single phase AC source. Now this is a scope. Now if you have remembered, then just convert this load into RL load. Is it not? Our load requirement is RL. So just double click on that one. And we can convert this load into our requirement according to here type. So if you're pure resistive, then pure resistive, pure inductance, then just click here and various type of we required RL, so just click on the RL and we can put here the value of resistance and inductance. Okay, so you can put here a specific value, just tell me any arbitrary value, otherwise it will take by default value 1.
Okay.
1 ohm resistance and 1 millihenry inductance. 1 into 10 to the power 3 represent the millihenry. Okay. So if you want to put here any specific value of resistance and inductance, then just click on this one and you can put here the value of resistance and inductance. Okay. So suppose that if you want to put here 5 ohm and just 2 millihenry inductance value. So just put here and okay. So this one converted into RL load. Okay. So this one you can rotate